Hey guys, welcome to the Areca Lodge in Pattaya on Soy Diana. Going to do a little bit of a review of the room I'm staying in, see whether you think it's worth staying here, and just a breakdown of what I think of the hotel itself. Now, the room I'm in is a super deluxe double, which is in the evergreen part of the hotel, which is the very back of Areca Lodge. I didn't realize Areca Lodge was this big. It's a massive complex. And look, the walk from the start of Soy Diana to the back of the hotel, I mean, it's quite big, but on the same token, it's an expansive hotel. There's a lot going for it. So let's get into what I think of the Areca Lodge. So as we walk in on the left-hand side, plenty of room for your baggage, which is a massive plus for me. Some hotels don't get it right as far as the space for baggage goes, but this looks to be good. As far as your safe goes, no problems, good size safe, so plenty of room to hide your valuables. Got your coat hangers to hang up your shirts too, plenty of room there. We've got another cabinet for God knows what, more coat hangers. If you have more clothes, maybe if you've got a lady friend staying with you that you're wanting to hang up some of her stuff, that's a plus there. You've got water, tea and coffee, kettle, standard stuff in regards to that. A big fridge. This is a good size fridge that you've got there. You've got some water that you can buy from the hotel itself. Plenty of room to stock up the fridge with beers or whatever you want. TV size, average sort of TV size for a hotel. Look, I don't watch TV in my hotel room anyway, so that is fine. As we pan around, it's a good size room. So the room itself is well laid out size-wise. You've got a little bit of a lounge area here, which we'll give it a little bit of a test. Yeah, not too bad, good to chill out. And we've got the bed. The bed is a good size bed. You are looking at it says double, but it looks big for a double. Let's give it a test. Yeah, it's medium to medium hard, the bed size. As we walk out to the balcony. Now the balcony itself has a couple of chairs, looks quite clean and looks out onto you've got the pool there. As you can see, it's a massive complex, but the balcony itself is well appointed. So that certainly gets a tick from me in regards to that. Now the decor itself, it looks a little old to be fair. It could do with a little bit of a revamp. I think the decor in this room, which perhaps a little bit of a negative as we go into the bathroom. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Now, plenty of sink space, which is good to put your toiletries, standard toilet, and let's have a look at the shower. The shower is in the bath, which I don't love, and the shower could be better. So that side of things, probably a little bit of a thumbs down, the shower. So it's not as deluxe as I would have liked as we conclude with the room. So final thoughts. Look, the check-in process was fantastic. Areca seemed to have a really fantastic staff, which when you're staying in a location like Pattaya is what you look for. So the staff gets a big, massive thumbs up. Location right opposite LK Metro, right in the heart of the nightlife district and close to the beach. So look, you're close to everything staying in the Areca Lodge. The only downsides of this particular room, the double deluxe evergreen, is it's a long way back in the hotel complex. So you'll be covering some kilometers, but hey, walking's good for you and I don't mind it. I'm staying 2 nights here. I booked 2 different bookings with Areca, so I'm moving to a different room in 2 days' time. So it'll be good to compare the two and see which room I preferred. But it's been good to show you the double deluxe room. Tell me what you think in the comments. Have you stayed in this room at the Areca?